Heyo guys, what's going on? I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this figure. I was debating whether to really cover this in a video or not, but I figured just for anyone who's maybe wondering about this particular product, I'll just show it just so you guys can see what it looks like. This is from the EXQ line of just these figures here from Bandai. And so this is the EXQ figure here from Gundam Build Divers Re of May, and I thought it looked pretty cool, so I wanted to check it out. So I picked it up and I'll just give you guys a look at what it looks like here. So just taking a look around the box, you can see it looks like your standard EXQ figure box if you've ever had any of them. I've taken a look at a few of these from the Love Live series, and so this is the first one that's like Gundam related that I'm looking at. And I wasn't really a big fan of the model kit that came out of May, and recently there was an announcement that Mega House is making a like real big, like expensive proper figure of May. But that one's, I don't know, like $100 or something like that. Those usually, the Mega House figures are usually around there, more or less. But this one I think was like around $20 like that. So similar to the price of the model kit actually. But yeah, I didn't really like the look of the model kit. So I thought this figure looked a lot better. So we pop this open. You can see, got a couple of parts in here. Basically, the main body, the base, and the head there, and all that hair. So with these EXQ figures, obviously you're not going to be getting like quite as high quality as like the Mega House figures, of course, so that's why the Mega House figures are so much more expensive. These are not quite as nice quality, but at least in my experience with the Love Live figures that I've taken a look at before, the quality of them is quite good. I mean, it's certainly good enough. I'm not like that big of a figure connoisseur that I really care that much about having like the absolute top quality figures in my collection, but I just have a couple of them, and so at least for me, this is very good enough. So anyway, there's the head. Let me see, give you guys a close-up here on the face anyway, and you guys can get a look at the painting there on the face. I gotta say, the eye color looks a little bit different. If you take a look at the box there, the eye color certainly looks a lot more just like a regular blue color, and then this is certainly a lighter teal green kind of color there on the actual figure, so that's interesting. You got a little bit of difference in color there for that. And the base, also unfortunately nothing really special about that. Sometimes they have like something molded into there or printed on there. In this case, nothing on there. It's just a plain simple white base. So I don't know, maybe some people are into that. I kind of would prefer if it had like the Build Divers logo or something on there. Even though I'm not particularly a Build Divers fan, I've still yet to watch the actual show. I think still would have been cool just to have the logo on there. I suppose if I really wanted, I could try to see if I get my hands on some sort of big water slide decal of the logo or something. And also I'm noticing her foot not really fitting quite perfectly down into there, I guess, but anyway, it's on the base there. And then for a quick size comparison here, you can see compared to a standard HG 144 scale Gundam kit, she's going to be pretty tall, so it's a sizable figure as well. Let's see, coming in, including the base, around 24 centimeters in height, so pretty tall. So yeah, I'll just finish up by just giving you a look here around the figure, what it looks like, just spinning around, and yeah, I like it. I'm satisfied with this. Like I said, it was, I can't remember exactly, but around $20, something like that, and then plus shipping, of course. It's not too bad if you're a fan of the character or just a fan of this like type of character figure. I just liked it because it was a character figure from Gundam, and it's pretty cool, and so I thought it was pretty interesting. I would love if Bandai would make this sort of figure for some of the characters that actually have much more interest in, some of my more liked characters from the series overall, but you know, at least until that day, this is something cool to have on the shelf in the collection. So that's it for this video, guys. Just like I said, a quick look at the figures. So hopefully if any of you guys were interested in picking this up, this review was helpful just to get a look, see what it looks like, and just see if it's going to be something you're interested in spending your money on. So if you have any other further questions, of course, you can feel free to leave those down below. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. And I'll just finish by posing the question to you guys: what character would you guys like to see come out in the future of the EXQ line here, similar to this figure of May? Just let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.